That's how you do it. Anchor tag with the H, the hyperlink reference, and then wherever it takes you to, and then the image. I can't believe I forgot that. So this won't take you to Twitter. What was it? Image source? No, it's just yeah, image source. Okay, and close this anchor. Then it's image source. So we'll do image. You know what it might be? It might be whatever this isn't actually inside of. So it's not just in images, it's gonna be inside the web page file, I think, and then inside images. So let's try. Oh wait, why is it not loading though? Where the site takes you to. Image source equals NBC webpage. Images Twitter logo. Oh, dot PNG maybe. Huh. I need to close the anchor tag. God damn it. I don't think that'll do it though. I feel like it's still tripping. I think I did something wrong. Yeah. The link works, but the photo's not showing up. So it might be where the images are. But the images are inside the web page. The web page's directory. Hmm. Hmm. Is it just images? Let's try this again. Okay. Close that. thing is, why wouldn't it work? The images folder is a thing. It's in there. Images. I don't know why. Out the that so it won't show up, but now oh my god, what am I doing? Save. Still not showing up. What is going on here? Alright, let's try this again. Alright. Anchor. href. https://twitter.com/MarshallBcoats. And then, actually, yeah, close that. Image source, images / Twitter logo. Alt the Twitter logo. Should be it. So it pops up now, but the image still doesn't pop up. So there's something wrong with my directory, I think. So let's see. The images are what doesn't make sense to me is that there is an image folder that also contains these files in. Oh, you know what? Wait. No, that doesn't make sense. That. Delete this too. And this. And this. Hell, and this too. Shit. I had that in there. I don't know why this isn't working. It's in the images folder. So like for example, if we look back at my old web page, right, I had them all down here. All I'm trying to do is the same thing. It connects to an image. The images were in image / and then whatever the name of the file was, but for some reason the linked web pages file or folder isn't like able to access the images folder or something. I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe if I move them outside of the, or maybe the images need to be inside. You know what? Now I think about it. Maybe the images need to be inside the link web, like a copy of it needs to be inside the link web pages thing. Right. So like if I do this, I'm doing it off, you can't see it, but so in this file, all I want is just the PNGs that I'm going to use. So delete all these other ones. That should do it, maybe. No, it didn't. Oh yeah. So I did forget that now, but also that didn't work earlier, but that was before I moved those files into another folder. So let's try. See, now they're showing up. So beforehand, I did it the right way. Like I typed in Twitter logo.png and it didn't work, and it's because now it should work because I just made a folder. There it is. So I put the folder. You can see it on the side. I put an images folder in here of the images that I'm going to use for this specific page, since this is a different page than the usual web, like the index, so, or landing page, whatever you want to call it. Thank you for the help, though. I was forgetting that. So that takes you to my Twitter, which is cool. So let's do it all again, but for this is gonna be Instagram, email, GitHub. Actually, probably no email. We'll have the email on the page. What's up, Jimbo? How you doing today? I'm alright, man. I'm chilling, you know. Feeling kind of cozy today. I got my long sleeve hunting shirt on, some sweats on. Usually I'm wearing like shorts and a t-shirt, but I'm feeling kind of cozy today. It's nice and cold out here in Chicago. It's gonna be hot tomorrow and the next few days, though. So stupid. I hate the weather here. Let me know if you can hear the music, if I sound good. I know I'm speaking a little lower today. Let me know what's the deal. What's the dealio? Alright, and this will take you to Twitter, or this will take you to //github, github.com/ I think it's SchoollyB is my. Sounds fine, right on, dude. Got me a new keyboard with some arrow keys on it. It's a 65% size keyboard compared to my 60 that I was using. I needed these arrow keys. I was tired of using function J, K, L, and I to do all that, to up and down and left and right and all that shit. So new keyboard, you know what I mean? I want to change my Instagram name, actually, to be honest with you. Right now it's what was it? I think it's like Chicago Blues, or Chicago Soul, Houston Blues, and I don't live in Houston anymore right now, so kind of want to change it, especially since I've been doing this coding thing. It might become more of a pseudo professional personal Instagram, but for now we'll leave it. I think it's Instagram.com/ I think it's Chicago Soul Houston Blues Chicago. I have it on my phone actually. One moment. What's my name on here? Chicago Soul Houston Blues. Yeah. Blues. Okay. That should make sure all these work. The Twitter works. So that's good. Instagram works. That's good. GitHub works. Cool. Okay. So there we go. Close this anchor tag. Close this div 2. Why is it doing that? Oh, Jimbo, thanks for the follow, dude. Yeah, I'll follow you back. Appreciate it. You didn't have to do that, but thank you. I appreciate that. All right. So that'll be what is it? One thing I do not like about this keyboard is that the home button is right next to where my old delete button is, or is in the place where my old delete button was on my previous computer. So I keep finding myself clicking that and it's pissing me off. I'll get used to it though. End of my info and links. So what I'll also do is rather than put a link to my email, I'll put it to where it just says like well, not a link to, not, you know what I mean, rather than putting like an image like I did the rest of these, I'll do what is it, I think it's Anchor href mail to Marshall B codes at gmail.com. Oh, I forgot. Oh, you can see the browser. Never mind. Oh, I was gonna say you can't. You guys can't even see the browser, but you can. I forgot I set that up. So if I click on this, oh, we need a email me. Let's just put that for now. That should take you. Yep. Okay, that works. Cool. I could do an image, but for now we'll leave it as email me. So now we have all of that. I don't want to do a telephone because I'm not going to put my cell phone out there. I have a second number through Google Voice. If you, by the way, if for some reason you need a second telephone number for something work related, or you know you get spam or something, you can use Google Voice and you get a free telephone number. It's a prepaid one, so some like games won't accept it. Like Call of Duty didn't accept it, but you can get it for free if you just have Google Voice. I have an Android, a Galaxy, I mean, and I have Google Fi, so I have to have like everything Google, apparently. Okay, so the basic layout of this page is pretty much there. We have our text area, information. I'm not gonna. If I click on this, my phone number will show up because it's like the browser has used saves your information. What do they call that? Like autofill. So I cannot click on that. Email's not that bad. First name, last name, I don't care about, but I cannot click on my phone number on stream. So now we just have to. So what I was doing before, I was actually copying, like honestly, I was pretty much copying this other person's, and I was like, what am I doing this for? I can make it my own, just as creative. Like I just really was using. I was. Let me rephrase that. Copying sounds bad. I was kind of copying, and you might have been here for that day, Jimbo, like 3-4 days, 2 days ago. But rather than doing that, I took that inspiration and I kind of applied it from memory, and here we are. So the basic form is here. So now what I want to do is a CSS, and then we'll do the JavaScript, I think. So we got links, information for them to put in, submit button, good to go. So let's see. So now we got, let's do body first. We're gonna make the body oops, I don't like that home button. I might pop it off the keyboard and like, I don't know, super glue something there so it doesn't actually click because it's pissing me off, but we'll leave it for now. Body, we'll put background color, we'll make it black. Perfect. Let me see, I think I always do like what margin 0 pixels. No, margin. So for this, Oh yeah, we'll do margin 0 pixels, but we're in a moving this. What did I just do? I forgot you can't see because I have that open. Margin 0 pixels. Okay. Oh, you know what? The logos are black, so we gotta make this gray for now. I want it to be black. I think black would look good, but honestly, going with the theme of the actual web page itself, the landing page, white seems to be more the theme. I need to fix this. Every time I look at this, it pisses me off. um, maybe I don't want it to. White is so basic. So what I can do is actually look up some. These are all. I think any icon from this website is black and white. I would prefer, like, maybe we can get them all in like a. I hate that stuff pops up. Maybe we can get them all like a colored logo, colored icon. Circular would be good, I think. We can go with a circular theme, because before I was using square. Just put a life raft under the mouse. Wait, just put a life raft under the mouse and text? What do you mean, dude? I don't understand. A life raft? Okay, hold on. Let's duplicate, and we need so Twitter, Instagram, and GitHub. So the text is readable when the water is under. Oh, I got you. Calling back to where is it at? Right here. Got you. Give it a little life vest. Oh, GitHub. I wish they had like a folder where every website had a matching theme. They probably do. I don't want it. So let's see. Let's do Instagram. So maybe like circular, because GitHub's logo is usually circular anyway. No, yeah. So I'm thinking like a nice color. It's just I wish I knew. Um, but then again, that it doesn't matter that much. Okay, so like this one for Twitter, maybe this one or this one for Instagram. I just don't know if the Twitter bird is like white or is it transparent for this blue one right here on the second row. Same with the Instagram lines around the camera, and then as far as GitHub is concerned, I mean, I don't know. Maybe this one. We'll try each one out. So we'll put it inside. You can't see my folder open, right? No, you can't. Okay, good. Linked web pages, images. We'll replace. Let's see what this looks like. Holy hell, that's huge. Look how big it is. What the hell? Jesus Christ. Why would you make it look that big? I can resize it, but I would prefer to just download it smaller than this. Can I do that? I don't think I can. Boy, look at how big this logo is. compared to the rest of this. Can I hold on? Let me give these classes. Try this out. Yeah, okay, so we can't use this site does not let you change sizes of logos. So some people can implement any some people can implement at any size and high DPI screens will need larger images. You can change height and width in image tag. Yeah, I just tried that unless I typed in the name wrong. GitHub logo. Classes use dots, correct? And then IDs use periods. ID. Classes used, I'm pretty sure classes use dots and IDs use periods. Or, yeah. ID starts with the hash. Oh, wow. I was way wrong. Wait. Was I right? Did I say that correctly? Classes use dots, IDs use... I said the wrong the second time. I said IDs use periods, but I meant to say hashtags. So I was right. Classes use periods. Okay, so that's correct. Oh boy. Yeah, I think I was mixing my words. I was saying dots and periods rather than dots or periods and hashtags. So I just made this into a class. So a class should use a dot, and that's what it has. GitHub logo. So let's see. Maybe I did something wrong. Can I do like 10 pixels? It's not making it smaller. Height. Yeah, it's not making it smaller. I think this is like a set set thing, unless it's not named correctly. Let's try another one, for example. Well, let's just try like the Twitter one. We'll give this a class 2, or the Instagram one. Doesn't matter. Class Insta logo. Oh, forgot an H. GitHub logo. GitHub logo. Okay. Still didn't change anything. Thank you for pointing out that error though. That definitely would have come in handy. It would have fixed something later on, guarantee it. So let's try another one just to make sure it's not like a logo thing. Let's try Insta logo. What if I do like what's one of the things I can do here? What am I trying to do? Height 10 pixels. Maybe I'm doing. It's got to be me, because I've been able to change these sizes and move them around before. Usually, I think I've done that before. So Can I just, let's see if I can just move it, right? Let's just try bottom 100 pixels. Oh, you know what? I know what it is. I'm not, am I implementing this? No, I'm implementing, I have the style sheet in here. Hmm. I don't know what it could be. Let me take some water here. Try Control F5 on the browser. Oops. Oops. Did it again. Damn it. Control F5. Huh. Is that like, what does that shortcut mean? Like a reload? I'm curious why this wouldn't work. Because I've done this before. Let's look at my old, I've never actually given the attribute a class before, actually. Not in this version. I don't know what version I would have done it in. Maybe I never did. No, see, well, I've given an image source. Yeah, see, I've done like height and border radius and stuff before, but so it's not. It forces it to clear cache and reload. Okay. Oh, you know what? I think I have to give it to the image, not the. I'm currently giving it to the link, not the image. So let's try that. That might be it. Yeah. Jimbo, come on, man. You're supposed to be helping me out. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, I figured it out on my own. That's good for me, right? That means I'm getting better. Um, Scalp itches. What was I doing? Oh. Twitter. The opening of this song really made me want to listen to like some of that like 80s like synth music. I actually kind of want. Do you like that stuff, Jimbo, or do you despise? If you despise it, we won't listen to it. But I occasionally will check that out because some of it's kind of cool. Like that 80s synth, like running, like Doctor Disrespect. If you've ever watched him, kind of music. Like up until this point, it sounded like that. Oh, okay, no worries, no worries. I appreciate you stopping by anyway. This isn't it. What's that like? That 80s like runner, like just. I don't know what it's called. I feel like synth is the name of it. You know what I can look up? I guarantee if I look up the guy on here. Some of it's a little too upbeat. I like the slower. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we'll call it class Twitter logo. And we'll do class Insta logo. GitHub logo. Okay, so a couple of them disappeared, so let me make sure I did this right. Image class equals blank. Image class equals blank. Source image class equals. Okay. Okay, let's try this now. Height. Let's just say 10 pixels. There it is. You can't really see it probably, but it's right here. Okay, great. So now, let's set them all to about 50 maybe. So if you're looking at the page, I think maybe 50 to 75. So a little smaller than what they were for now. So I'm cool with that. Height. Ooh. Well, wait. Let's take away the width. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna save over all of them with the new images that I get. Where was that page at? Damn, did I close all of those tabs? That sucks. I didn't save all of them. So we're going with a circular shape. So it appears that the white space in the PNGs is transparent, unfortunately. So I might have to change the GitHub one again. Ah, you're right. And I could keep them all the same. But I will end up having to change some small things about each one though. Because I want them, maybe not. But I want them vertical or horizontal. I think I'm going to want them vertical. So I probably have to change some things about them anyway. But that is a good point. I could do that. That is true. We can give them all this. We can give them an ID actually, since ID can. Or no, we can all put them in the same class rather. You're right. You're right. Okay, let's do that. Smart. So we can call it like. Yeah. We can give each one at that point an ID or a name, I think, or type maybe. I haven't been doing much JavaScript. I need to, since I'm still learning it. But it all excuse me. Sorry, it all intermingles. So we'll give it a class. Social links is good, or social logo is good. Oh, really? I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. Maybe I did know that, just didn't pay attention. Okay, cool. So we'll do Social. Dude, this home button. Oh, it's pissing me off. Social logo. I've been using that keyboard that I had. I've had that keyboard for years. I mean, I built my first PC in 2020 or in 2019. No, in 2020. At the end of 2020, I built my PC, but then I got the keyboard. So I've had the keyboard for not that long, I guess, really. And to be honest, only been like a year and a half. But that's plenty of time to get used to doing things a certain way. I do enjoy the arrow keys on here, but the delete button space, like, kind of annoying. Okay. Height, we're going for, I think, 75 pixels. Excellent. And we will get a new logo for each one. So Instagram. I want to I kind of like the circular theme. So maybe this one. Save over that. See how that looks. Ooh. Okay, let's see. We might have to redo the GitHub one too, because it looks a little like that border around it is really making it look a little larger. It still looks larger than the Instagram one. I did name them all. Classes, right? Class in social logo. I kind of want them to be the same size. Let's try maybe, but at the same time, I want them to be in color too. So why is that the only? Maybe. All right, let's see. I can probably just shrink the other one down a little bit more if I need to, but where's the fun in that? It's just more work. Excuse me. Jimbo, where are you from? I think I asked you this. I don't think you ever replied. Okay, so those are actually the same size, so it's just Instagram. Instagram. Has it been raining and whatnot where you're from? Dude, fall is almost here. It's my favorite season. I love it. And then spring is my next favorite season. I love fall, dude. It's so good. So it's beautiful. At least fall in like certain places, like fall in California wasn't much. It didn't matter. Okay, so there we go. Cool. So we have those. The GitHub one's pissing me off though because it's so transparent. I wish I've always wondered what their logo is. Is it a cat or is it an octopus? It looks like it's a cat. Or octopus. A squid. From the US. Oh, nice, man. Rained some last night. There you go, dude. I understand not wanting to share too much information. It's all good. I'm just curious. Alright, I won't worry too much about the logo right now. But that is really bothering me how there's so why can't they just have one that's purple circle with a white cat inside? Maybe this is what I'm looking for. No, it's not. It's a little bit better, I think, because the outline doesn't look as harsh. But excuse me. Um, boy, all of these are just like transparent, huh? This one wasn't, but what was the problem with this one? I think it still looked larger. Let's try it out. If not, we'll just go back to the one we had. Octocat. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Octocats have a lot to do. Okay, well, dude, why is it such a weird logo to just have like Instagram or Twitter? Okay, you know what? We'll leave that for now. It looks okay. So we have that. We have our images. We have they take us somewhere. Um, they have links behind them, I should say. We have information, text area. Now, let's keep going with some CSS here. You know what I'm saying? Let's what's this music? This music's not bad. Like, I like this stuff. It kind of like makes me just zone out. I honestly forgot it was playing for the last few minutes. Jimbo, have you watched that Lord of the Rings show, dude? It is fire. Rings of Power. I've tried watching the Game of Thrones. I don't know if you've watched that before or you do watch that. Um, they made a sequel or a prequel called The House of Dragons, which is on HBO Max, and it sucks. But the Lord of the Rings show, the Ring of Power show, is good. The graphics are so much better than freaking uh uh what's that? What was the one I just House of Dragons, the Game of Thrones show. Okay, so let's see. Let's find the class name of our. So we have a form. I feel like I can move the form itself. So, what's the forms class? Contact form, of course. The movies are really good too. I actually go out of my way every year, at least once a year, to watch the Lord of the Rings movies and the first 3 Pirates of the Caribbean movies. I used to do it with Star Wars too, but then I stopped because it's just like it's too many. I can't watch 9 whatever movies every year. Um, what was I doing? Oh, it's called Contact Tag Form. There we go with that home button again. Does the height matter for this? If I say 40 pixels. It does. So let's do 100? 200. Oh, not 1200. 200. So 200 what it was. 300 maybe. So that's actually okay. I see what's doing. So these boxes, how do I change the size of the individual boxes? I think I have to go for the classes that I gave them. So like I think let's just see, first name might be one of them. Yeah, first tech name. And then maybe height of 10 pixels. Okay, so I can do that. So what we'll do is we'll move the form. You could before MoviePass. What was MoviePass? Who owned MoviePass? MoviePass. Star Wars was on MoviePass. What is MoviePass? Why have I not heard of that? you could get tickets to as many movies as you wanted. Then they restricted to like 5 a month. Then went under. Yeah, people probably weren't happy about that. They probably should just, rather than restricting the amount of tickets you can get, just increase the price a bit. That seems like poor business practice, and I'm not even a business guy. Don't take away what people enjoy about the service. Just make them pay a little bit more, and people will pay for it because they're still getting what they enjoy. That's funny. I never heard of them. I've heard of like Fandango. Maybe I have heard of Movie Pass, just not. Maybe it's been so long. But then again, you said movie tickets, so people have, like, the theater isn't as popular as it used to be. So like the last time I heard Fandango was a long time ago. Okay. So, excuse me. Oh boy, I've had the feeling that I had to cough. All right, sorry. Um, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I do want to float these. So what I want is, I want the form to essentially be, god damn it, in the middle of the screen in this area. And I want to have a header, so I'll probably make a header here that just says like contact me or something, and then the logo's down here. So I'm still taking inspiration from that page we were looking at before, but not like verbatim or whatever, not absolute. And then I'll have like the logos here, and then the page will be pretty simple. I think will be for the best. We'll increase the size of the boxes and everything. Increase the size of the button. Basically, take what she did, or what that person did, but yeah, exactly. $12 a month for unlimited movie tickets is very, very cheap. Cause like it's just, I don't know whose idea that would have been to rather than increasing the price and charging people, hell, even if it was like $3 more, that increases your income by probably an exponential amount for however many people, right? And keep this, it seems weird, I don't know. Set a width or max width to the form and do margin auto 0. Should center it without absolute. Try not to use absolute unless it's absolutely needed. Okay, let's check her out. Set width or max width to the form. So the form is contact form, so let's do this. And do margin auto. What's the max width? Max content? Fit content? Is the max width of the... So that means as far as it can go? I'll see. Let's do the other one first. Margin auto 0. So max width, just leave it as max width blank and semicolon margin auto. God damn it, why is it? Huh. Max width 300 pixels. Let's try with width. No, it's not. I think it's just not moving anything over. So try not to. You said try not to use absolute unless it's absolutely necessary. Did I put those in? I did put them in their own div. Good. We'll give this div a class too. Now I think about it. Social. Links. Okay. So what else? I know I can just do like, for example. Right? Isn't that something about? Well, how do I forgot how to move stuff around. Right, 100 pixels. Oops, it's 0 auto for margin. Go. Okay, let's try it. Oh. They did center it. Wow, look at that. Alright. I haven't written down a lot of HTML CSS notes in a while, even though I've been learning a lot about it. I probably should. So I'm sorry, I'm writing this down. Oh, okay, relative. Okay, that's an interesting one to have. I kind of, yeah, I've been, as I've gone along with producing this or making this website more and more, with more projects, I've learned more about CSS and HTML, even though those projects technically involve JavaScript. So that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, so now, but not now. Here's the thing. I want to move it down. So I want to give it a. Let's see. Can I do top or margin top? Let's just say 300 pixels. I didn't do it. Okay. Is it because I have a margin here? If I delete this... Oh, it has to be... Oh. Look at that. Would you look at that? So if I were to... Okay, so let's make the box. Let's make the boxes a little. Let's see. So all right, dude, Jimbo, thank you for the. I really appreciate the knowledge, dude. Some people probably would be like, I got it, I'll figure it out. Not me. I definitely do appreciate knowledge coming from different sources, especially if it's got a lot of years of experience and are willing to help. Like, why not just take it? Within each block, it goes. Within each block, it goes top down, so you can add multiple of the same properties, and each one will override the previous one. So, if I did margin top again, but I made it 100 pixels. Got you. Makes sense. That's a good note to write down too. Damn, I didn't give myself enough pages for CSS notes. I only have 3 more. I'd have to write them in somewhere else. Damn, within each. And each one will override the previous one. Yeah, I've seen on Twitter. I actually saw this person who's like a CSS master. They made a sandwich using CSS. They made it was like thousands of lines of code. They also made what's that famous picture? The Italian artist I think made she's like supposed to be the most beautiful picture in the world. She's in the French art museum, I believe, the Louvre. What was her name? He made that picture in CSS. Like, yeah, there's a lot to it. And I don't want to get that deep into it. I'm still trying to find my niche. I was watching this guy yesterday do database stuff, and I was like, that kind of seems interesting. So I'm like, kind of trying to find things I'm good at and I enjoy, and going off of those on those. I'm almost done writing this down. Yeah, and I'm curious about learning it. Yesterday was really interesting. This guy was making this page. I actually follow him on LinkedIn. He's the first person who actually gave up a LinkedIn because he's public with his project. And to be honest with you, I think it could make some money. I have no real sense of business, but you ever hear one of those ideas like, and you don't want to be the guy who was like, damn, I should have invested in that, or I should have, you know. But anyway, either way, he was working on database stuff. Okay. So now let's work on. So we have div class first name. Are you just in web dev, Jimbo, or are you? What's your actual? If you wouldn't mind sharing, what's your actual title, profession? I know what you kind of do, at least with like as far as what you know. To you, databases are cake. Honestly, looking at that stuff yesterday was like, oh, this is pretty I can understand this, and maybe it was the way he was teaching it. Okay, so first name. Can I make the height larger? How do I make the box itself larger? I know I can put line breaks, like breaks in between there. But I want the box itself. Maybe it's a... web programmer, but it's the same as full stack developer. I've also done server administration. Nice, dude. I don't even know what box sizing is. I just imagine that this is some considered a box. So can I do box sizing 30 pixels? No. Okay. I'm gonna look this one up. Don't answer this one, Jimbo. I got this one. Let me do some work here. According to, well, how do I make that text box bigger? Oh, this person's using... Why did he get the answer for JavaScript? Is that the only way to do it? Thank you for understanding. You won't always be there, Jimbo. I wish you could, but you won't always be. But Stack Overflow will be. Excuse me, sorry for doing that in your ear. I keep forgetting to mute myself. I need a mute button. In fact, maybe I'll make a mute button since I got a larger keyboard now. Text box ID. Go back to that. Not sure. Excuse me. In JavaScript, you can manipulate the DOM. Yes, we get it. Document, get element ID, text box ID, style. We're not doing it in JavaScript. We're doing it on its own CSS file. So we can do in the CSS file or style tag. This is what he named it. Height 200 pixels. That's pretty big, but font size. So maybe 14. What is PT? Points? I've never seen PT. Maybe he meant... No, he probably meant PT. Let's make it quite large. Huh. Make sure I did this right. First name spelled how again? No capital N. Cool. Alright, let's I'm curious what it would be. Hmm. I mean, I'll try like this. Height and pixel size. But I don't, yeah, that just makes, just displayed some of my information on there. Oops. That just makes it, hmm. Not text area. I don't know if that's the correct, like, HTML input size attribute. Here we go. An HTML form with 2 input fields with the width of 50 and 4 characters. Form, okay, first name. Input text, ID pin, name pin, max length 4, size 4. For what? Just 4? Oh, the pin. That's for the pin. That's exclusively like that's just putting a limit on the amount of characters you can do. That's not even helping me out. Line height. Okay, let's try that. 20 pixels. Let's try her out. PT, I'm sorry, I didn't see this. PT is point. It's used in all text editors like Word, Docs. However, on the web, you can use it. You can use just about any metric you want. Pixels, percent. Yeah, the major one used today are EM emphasis. I use the emphasis a lot. Or I have used emphasis, such as I've used it. Who cares? I don't need to show you. Root related emphasis. I've never seen that one. That's doing the same thing, it looks like. It's not making the... It's adding space in between. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we'll try this. Try font size. Hmm. Something's not quite working here. Something is not quite working here. I came here looking for making an input that actually. No, not a text area. No. Big text. Here's a class name for the div. First name. Oh, you know what? That's why I'm changing the divs font, not the classes, not the inputs font. So I should make an ID called first name. Thank you, dude. Jimbo, you're the GOAT, dog. Appreciate it, man. Okay, so let's do this. First name. Boom. Now we can do font size 24 pt. There it is. Oh man. Jimbo, you are a genius. Man, thank you. Also, Jimbo, did you join the Discord? I think you did, right? Yeah, Jim. There you go. All right, just making sure. I want to. If you have people that you like code with that are not like work related, or you follow them or whatever, feel free to invite them. I wanted to make it like it's not. I've had a Discord server for my stream before. I never use it for like stuff like that, but I want to make this one for people who want to share knowledge and information. So if you have anybody that you know that's not like work related or whatever, feel free to add them or invite them. Man, okay, so now we can go back to that one about the box size. Yeah, that doesn't. Oh man, so I was making CSS is a cruel mistress sometimes. Um. Wow, I was really gonna. I was probably gonna do that the whole time too. I gave these each their own ID, so we can do last name and we spelled email wrong. So let's do. Now I think about it, I can also do I can also space them out while doing the div class, the giving the div itself a class. So I can do that too. So now I can do what was it called? It was first name. And now I can do it where I give it a little bit of height. So I think what I do, I think 30 pixels maybe was what I gave it. No, 100, 50. Give it a little space in between. I'm down for that. So, and while I'm thinking about it, what I can do is I can write notes for myself. I enjoy doing this, little comments. So this is, oh, it's CSS. What is this? No, it's that. I hate this keyboard. Might be time for a break here soon, especially since you said you're gonna leave yourself. Might be perfect timing. Contact form input to change them all. Input? What is that? Hold on. So, let me write this down first before I forget first. You can also select, so this one, or make another. Son of a bitch. What? What? Wait, so what is the input, this input call, not call, but this input name? So let me get this straight. So you basically, when I put that in, I'm clarifying contact form, but also anything that has contact form and input. But am I selecting the divs, or am I selecting the actual boxes? Because each box is inside its own div. Or each input box, if we call it, is inside its own div. So when I use contact form input, am I selecting both the div itself and the input box, or just the input boxes? Sorry if that question was all over the place. Read it like any input element that elements that are in descendant. Any input elements that are in descendant of the element contact. So in a sense, that means I can also do contact form, and I can do I guess really there's not much else. But if let's say the names were the same or something, I could do just name, right? Or maybe not. It didn't go yellow. Div, or maybe div. Okay, I think that makes more sense. So if I were to do it further, oh, but div works because it's an element, which would then allow me to change anything inside of a div container as long as it's inside contact form. I'm sure that's very helpful for like lists and oh, I forgot something. I forgot to choose the country. Thanks, Jimbo. Appreciate it, man. I definitely do. Like, you got some knowledge. You've been helping me out a lot. I forgot to do the country thing, so I'm gonna actually add that because I'm not gonna do it now. I'll write it down. So I still have to look at that clock from last week. Add country, select list on contact form page. Dude, 26 more days I can go, or no, not 26 more days, 16 more days. So 2 weeks, and I get to go see my ENT. for this breathing. There are various different CSS selectors, classes, modifiers, etc. You can look them up later. Yeah, for sure, dude. Man, dude, learn by doing. I love it, and learn like it's great. Okay, so I want to do this by the contact form. So I forgot, did you answer this question? Is it selecting the div? So like if I use contact form input, I'm only selecting, okay, you know what, I get it, never mind, don't even answer it, I figured it out, I got it, it's only selecting input. So technically, so I'll make one called contact form div to and then we'll give each one a height of 40 pixels maybe, and we'll take these away. First name. Yeah, man, thank you so much, I really do appreciate it. It's a big help. Okay, and then we can do contact form input, and we can do what was that box, line height? Yes. If you don't have something like a hash or a period at the beginning, it will look for an element. So input looks for input elements, div looks for div. Right. I'm really feeling the synth wave. How about you, man? Which one do you prefer, the jazz, the lo-fi, or the synth that I've been having going? How big is this on the web page? I think a little bit larger and a little wider. And it'll be good. And then we'll add some other stuff. A little taller. I like the jazz. Alright, dude. I'm down with the jazz. All you had to say was play some jazz. I got you. I like jazz a lot too. Unfortunately, I have been playing some music that's been copywritten, so I don't know what is and what's not. I try not to, cause just in case I want to upload to YouTube. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there, buddy. That's some good stuff. Hope you can hear it. I do like the synth, so I'm definitely gonna download that. Cool. Alright, so is there a line width? There's not a line width, so how would I make... Ah, that's how I do it. Okay, so actually the height needs to be much greater. I meant kind of what just happened, like the line expanding widthwise or horizontally. Oh, I see what the problem is. The font is... I just want some spaces in between the lines. You can use width or max width. Okay. I was able to get a space in between the lines earlier, but I think what happened is because I made this a little too large. So let's try. Oh, dude, Jimbo, you're right. Padding. So if I do bottom, oh, margin or padding bottom, I think would be good. Let's try 5 pixels. Padding, maybe margin. No. Hold on. Let me think about this here. So to... Oh, you know what? It's probably because I have this up here too. I was doing it maybe in the wrong thing. I was doing it to the actual the inputs themselves. So I need to try here. Let's try line height. 100 pixels. That'll do it. Okay. So maybe 30. I just want a little space in between them. And then it's probably going to have to get larger when I increase the size. So now... I'm putting this text area in its own div as well. Oops, whoa. Okay. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? For now, let's not even worry about the space in between them. Let's just see if I can do this right. Let's do, okay, font size without doing that. Is there a way to change the... There is. I was making sure that was the correct color thing. I don't know what I meant to say there. I kind of lost my train of thought. I cannot type with this keyboard right now. Okay. So if I were to make this 32, it would increase the box size itself, which isn't really necessary, but it looks a little gross. So let's try 24 just to see, because I want the box size to be increased, but I don't want to mess with the div size without, unless it's okay. All right. So we have that. Now the thing is, I want this to be displayed. I want the full thing. Please. I didn't spell that right. Please enter. Okay. You know what I could do? To go with the theme, we could make this gray. Oh, no, never mind. No. That looks gross. Nah. Can I do... I'm just trying something here. I'm just kind of customizing, you know, just doing my thing, you know. Why does it make it look like that? Last time I had a... Okay, I'm not messing with that right now. I would like the whole font, the whole text to be in here, so I may have to... It's just not doing it. Percent uses the width and height for radius. Yeah, I was able to do some, like, in the early stages of the web page. I had right here. What, 1 inch? Why did I do 1 inch border? What was the H1? Yeah, maybe that's how I was doing it. 1 inch. That was weird. Let's try that. Oh, that's how I was doing it. Okay. Rather than 50%. I don't know when I used 50. I used 50% for something. I think it might have been the button. I can't remember. That doesn't look that bad. I would prefer if all the text was in the thing, though. Oh boy, it's almost lunchtime, guys. What's for lunch? What's for chow? Chow time. I don't think the text align would look good. Yeah, it doesn't even do anything. Okay. Can I do line height? No, I don't know how to change the size of the text inside of the form, the placeholder, unless I can do like. Is placeholder an element? No, it's not. Is it? Easy way to find out is by just putting it right here. No. It is a pseudo selector. Oh, so I have to do, is it the colons? A pseudo class. So, man, that's bright. If I do, so this is for a button, so if you hover over it, it'll go blue. So if I do, what am I even trying to, I'm trying to do, what am I trying to do right now? Oh, I'm trying to make the text smaller for this. So maybe if we hover over it, it can... Do I do another one for this? Font size, and then it'll go smaller maybe, like to 10 pixels. Will that do something? I didn't do something right. Oh, wait. Oh boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What this? That's not correct. Okay. Well, that's something I can fiddle with later. Oh, placeholder. Dude, my eyes, I started spazzing out a little bit there. So it's not, because it's not a class, it doesn't get the period or anything. Hold on, let's see here. So it just gets placeholder? Let's just test it out with color and make it go, I don't know, white. Or wheat. Sure, wheat's fine. Boy, I don't know. I don't know. Won't worry about the rest of, won't worry about making it look pretty later. That's fine. Let's get everything in place. I want to move these over. And this. What class is this? I didn't give this a class. Div class. Call it text box. Hmm. Actually, let's try it this way. Let's try contact this text area. I had it. I mean, I don't know what I had. What, the hover stuff? We'll take a look at it. Maybe I have to do it to where it's like when clicked or on. I don't even know if I would have to put that as a function, huh? What do we got? We have a follow. Plebanosaur. Oh, Plebonian. Oh my god, I was like struggling there. What's going on? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Pleb? Alright, I'll call you pleb. If that, I feel like that's kind of an insult to you, you know, lower class, you know, just a general citizen, but alright, yeah, sure, dude. Pleb, what's going on, dude? That's the name you picked. Alright, dude. Right on. I picked my name too. It doesn't mean nothing, so. At least yours has a meaning. Thanks for joining us. We're just, me and Jimbo are vibing out to some jazz, you know. I'm trying to work on, currently I'm working on, let's see, I'll open this up. This is my webpage I've been working on for a bit since I've been learning CSS, HTML, JavaScript. It looked nothing like this at first. It's not the greatest, but it's getting there, you know. It's an about me page, and it's going to become a portfolio for me to show to employers and whatnot. So recently I've changed it a lot. If I could show you how it looked previously, you'd be like, damn, you took a lot of stuff out. But I added a clock, and we've also added a navigation button down. Can you even see this fully? I'm sorry. Let me minimize code. I have it to where it captures. Damn it. Okay. Let's see. Can you see this now? I'm using one monitor, so, you know, not very fun. Let me just increase the size of this freaking thing, dude. Holy. There we go. Now you can see it. So, we added this clock here in the top right, using some JavaScript that I found, tactically acquired. This is me. And here's the menu that we also tactically acquired or used for inspiration. But it opens up, and what I'm doing now, I'm working on the contact page. If you click on this, it'll take you to this page that I'm currently working on. So that's what we're trying to accomplish. Then I'll do another one in a couple days for like the about page, a projects page. I also want to make a social media links page, or not really a link, but more like it'll show my latest feeds, a social media feed page as well. So yeah, man, we're chilling. Yeah, it definitely needs a lot more work, a lot. We just started JavaScript last Monday, last Monday, and took a couple days off in between. So right now, today, I guess I haven't done much of it, even though I should be. So let's go back to pulling everything up the way it's supposed to be. That should be good. Appreciate the follow though. Thank you again. Yeah, believe it or not, I've been streaming since 2014. Inconsistent as hell. I was in the military, so I didn't really stream that often when I was working. But I just topped over 100 follows this year. Never passed 100 followers before. Shows you how little I streamed throughout the years. Okay, so what was I doing? Text area. I'm gonna try to make this. Can I make the height W for sure? Not 50%, 50 pixels. No, I guess the text area doesn't matter that much. I would like for it to be. Yeah, we could do that. That's what worked for the other things. That's true. This keyboard is really. What's the size for this? 20? I want it to like be like this. I want it to appear as this, kind of like this size. Also need to increase the submit button size too. Oh, forgot to change the color. Oof. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even notice you said this, pleb. I just started learning React last week at JavaScript Library. Yeah. I plan on looking into that and probably like maybe give myself another couple weeks or so. Started looking at that, then changed to Vue. Don't care for either. Looking at Preact next. I got a one of the guys I've been following recently named Jesus Crust. he uses Vue. I think he uses TypeScript. There's so much stuff out there, man. So much. I've just started a month and a half ago, going on 2 months. So, actually, tomorrow. Hold on, let me see something real quick. I have it on my so damn, has it been that long? My God. I started coding on July 25th of this year. It was a Monday I randomly decided to start. So that was the remainder of July, all of August. So the 25th of this month. So we're getting there. It'll be 2 months. Yeah. The font's a little too large for that. I don't like that. 12. It did increase the box size. Okay. It did increase the size. Oh, hair in my mouth, dude. Oh, gross. Wasn't even mine. I don't know where it came from, I swear. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Didn't I try that already? I swear I tried height first. is interesting. They are almost JavaScript libraries once you solid it. I feel like I read that already. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I'm not solid in JavaScript at all. I was able to make the clock, and even then I was pretty much just taking from someone else's work and trying to understand it as I went. So we have a lot more work to do with that too. Not the clock, but with JavaScript. Alright, so this works. I mean, it's not quite... I don't understand how that's still larger. I just put my freaking thing out there again. God damn it. I swear to God, if somebody... Never mind. I don't even worry about it. Nobody saw anything. It's good. I feel like everybody's an adult here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then that's great. 30. Okay. That looks alright for now. Nice, just to keep it there. So, next... The button. The button class is submit button. Is there a way to make the button... Like, I kind of do want it to have, like, that hover effect. More so than it already does, like, change color and everything. So... Sorry if the on the right hand side of the screen it keeps flashing. It's live updating, so it seems to like flash a lot every time there's this, and reload every time there's a minor change. Is that, oh my god, it's starting to actually piss me off myself. Okay, I'm gonna look this up again. Button. Oh, button, hover. Hope everybody's enjoying the jazz. We were listening to some synth earlier, but we switched it up a little bit. Select and style link when you mouse over. Oh, so not the color. That would change the text. Yeah, it changes the text. So let me take that back to, let's make that white. And we'll make the background color blue. Nice. Okay. With, let's see. Oh no, that's still, so this is only changing things when it's being hovered over, not the actual property itself, or the element itself as is, so I need to do it again. Pleb, how long have you been coding or programming or learning coding and all that good? Doing good with selectors? By selectors you're talking like these, right? Is what you're referring to. I appreciate it. Everything's tabbed. Gross. I don't like it. Like indented. I gotta change that later. Yeah. I wish I could hover in real life, dude. Myself. That'd be great. Like fly. That would be great. Well, I think I appreciate the compliment, man. Thank you. We're coming along. Definitely, like it's just you got to do it every day. I have a bad memory, just in general. So like this is all very tough for me to come back to every day and try to remember and get a grasp on things. But doing it through Twitch chat definitely does help, especially because people have knowledge and whatnot. Okay, so let's go for the same length as the box. Also, we'll do a text align. It's already aligned center. But can I, if I do text align center, will the box be aligned center? Yeah, honestly, bro. Like I bro, whoever. I feel the same way. Oh, shaking everything. I'm gonna make sure my camera's still good. Yeah. I feel the same way. Like, I try to take notes. Yeah, I definitely believe it. It's like nobody should. There's so much knowledge and information that just today I will data dump in probably a couple hours. So if we do text align, will this make the button just move to the center? No. Okay. So let's make the width 330 then. Let's try that out. I hate how it's just so... what I could do is I could put both the text area and the button inside form inputs. Oh, no, because then it would make the font the same size. I could give them another class. So we can. So I want the submit button. It just needs to be in line, and right now it's not because you can see it's not. I could give them another class. To put them in line. That just seems... Is there another way? We'll worry about that later. That's okay. Oh, oops. What am I doing? Font size. 100%. Now the thing is, if I 100%er, will... Yeah. I was worried actually of it going larger. Actually, you know what I want to do? I want to put an image here. Like the one I was the one I was looking at for like inspiration. I think your other boxes are going outside the container width. These ones? These four? So that would mean actually like the div or the form itself is container form or contact form. I had something named container, I thought, or wrapper. Maybe not. That was previously. So are you saying that the input boxes are See how you have 300 on your contact form and it's going beyond that with 300. Oh, yeah, the text area is over. It's probably because of maybe my eye, like my seeing it is off because it's rounded at the edges, with the radius. So like if I if I were to take that off, yeah, I if you set it if you set input elements to 100%. So if you set all the input elements to 100%, Jimbo, man, that's I think I got what you mean. Basically, I was limiting how large they can be in the. I think this is my understanding of it. I was limiting how large they were in the input, the contact form input selector, without even kind of how am I trying to explain it? I think I understand what you mean. Yeah, thumbs up. Thank you. You know what I'm trying to say. Interesting. So honestly, do I even want to have separate things? I could put them all in the same thing, and all right. I want to put a like a send. Is there like a send button? Okay. Or how about the submit? Produce anything different? Jesus, what's up, dude? What's up? Hey, we are making some progress here. Jimbo's in the chat. I don't remember if you were in the chat with Jimbo before. And we also have Pleb in the chat. We're doing all right. We're working currently. So, once again, I'll pull this up for you. Actually, you're a little bit more familiar with all this stuff I've been doing, I guess. Like my progress with it. So, let's pull up the old webpage. Last week was a haze. Yeah, I'm sure, man. Turn this jazz down in my ear. So we made the clock. We're using JavaScript, right? Made some changes to the web page. Some we still got some work to do, right? But I keep forgetting to turn off. No, not that one. This one. No, not that. Wait, what am I trying to pull up? God damn it. The other window. That one. Thank you. There we go. Okay. So, oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I took a lot out. So if I had a project section here that I deleted, because I wanted to make something, so I went and found a navigation menu that I liked. Oh, one second.
Oh boy, sorry about that. So, what actually happens to me randomly, COVID like it did something to my brain to where like my anxiety will randomly just like spike. So like right then and there, it just happened. It's really weird. I had to kind of go catch like gather myself or whatever. It's really weird. Like I don't know. That was weird. Anyway, so what I'm doing now is I'm working on this contact page, which I will put. I want the link. Once you click it, take you to the contact page. So that's the move right now. Yeah, it's okay. I appreciate it. It's a weird. I don't know. Like I've dealt with like anxiety and like a lot of people do, anxiety and panic attacks. But after COVID, what happens is it'll randomly happen. Um, and I'll either like I don't know. It's just kind of like something pops into my head. Not like a bad thought. It's just like something in my brain happens, and I just start kind of freaking out a bit. I wasn't thinking about anything right there. I was talking, and next thing I know, that happened. So yeah, it sucks, but it's been happening less. Yeah, a lot of people have anxiety. Really does, or COVID really did mess with anxiety. So put this back, and we're gonna put the code back on the screen. It's I am doing a better job of getting out of it. Like previously, if I were to have one of those kind of episodes, it would like ruin my day. It would I whatever I was doing, like I would have probably ended the stream or never came back down. I probably just went to my room and just like just sat there or messed with my phone or something. So we're making strides. How do I put the browser back on the screen? Why is it not showing up? Give me one sec. I'm trying to figure this out. Yeah, man, it sucks, but I'm alive, so that's cool. So that's why is I put the browser over there? Sorry. There we go. Okay, so I want to find an image for the submit button. I'm thinking just something simple. Blue's good, but if you hover over it, it's gonna be blue. So where are we at with it? There we go. Font awesome for icons. I've used a bunch of different sites. Font awesome. Yeah. Oh boy. I'll check it out. I don't want to sign up for anything right now. I like this little one. This little icon right here, this little mailbox. Um, I'm sorry, dude. I got a lot going through my brain right now. I do. I've been playing some Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 recently. Overwatch. My thing was always like strategy games, so I used to play like this game called Hearts of Iron or Crusader Kings, or I play a game called Factorio. If anybody has heard of that. Um, so Excuse me. It's good, dude. What am I doing? Man, that really just threw me off. I'm gonna try not to let it ruin my day though. Oh, you know what I need to do? It's not so I've never done this before. Alright, man, enjoy your salad. Appreciate you stopping by, hanging out. Um I've never put an image in a button. I would imagine it's the same. What has happened to you has happened to me. The worst part is it happened when I was out with a chick. Oh, the anxiety stuff? Yeah, it's something weird with the brain. The COVID, and it's yeah. I don't know. Randomly, for me it happens just randomly. It sucks. Fatigue can kind of be a cause of it. Um, you can just make the image clickable. Actually, you know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a leak and I'll leave the camera on. And we'll try to make the image clickable. And I'm gonna come back, order lunch too. So give me a sec. I'll be right back. How it do, Scooby Doo? Scooby Doo, Schooly Doo. So alright, man. Just took a nice little bathroom break and. Bathroom break and got some water, so we're chilling. I wanted to, I want to go get lunch today. I've been doing okay. At least yesterday, I went to go out and get food. Kind of helped me get over this social anxiety I've been having. This, I think what happened there, by the way, when I kind of like felt that, I think it was just like this spike of fatigue. I'm gonna call it the fatigue. This is a little strong. It wasn't the usual fatigue that I'll get, but like an ocean breeze. Salty? Ocean breezes are usually salty. Salty air. So href style. Oh, the link for the image. Well, right now we don't really have a link, so it'll just be a hashtag. Style is... Why did he put the style in the HTML as well as its own style sheet, though? Excuse me. Did I put a space in that? Is there a space? Should not be a space between submit and button. There was a space between submit and button. Golly. Alright. Have I not eaten? I ate earlier. I actually ate a pretty healthy breakfast too. Like spinach leaves, turkey, like ground turkey. Egg whites and some rice, like some Chinese food rice. I just kind of threw on the stove real quick. It was pretty good. I'm curious what, I don't know what the hell happened, but I'm gonna eat here soon. I usually take like a lunch break around 2ish. So we have it now as submit button, so it should be submit button dot, damn it, I forgot what I saved it as. Submit button dot PNG, cool. And we need to give it a target of blank to open up a new thing. Yeah, eating is important. Drinking water is too. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's just kind of got me on edge. To be honest, I'm like still internally kind of freaking out a bit because I haven't experienced one of those kind of episodes since I was actually sick with, well, that's not true, not actually sick, but like months ago. So I'm just kind of like in my head now thinking like I'm reverting back to the progress at like healing. Because usually what'll happen is I'll feel like this moment of fatigue and I'm like, oh, I'm super tired now for no reason. And then after 20-30 minutes it'll go away and I feel normal again. Or not normal because I still have brain fog. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I do want to finish. I want to put this button in, this clickable button, and then I'll probably switch over to play like some Overwatch or something. I'll still stream, I think. We'll see. Okay, so I don't know why he has a style display block there. What is this even? Yeah, I don't need that. Its target is blank. Is it target equals? Target equals blank. Okay. Oh, button class, submit button. How did I make it so small? I forgot what I did here. I've played DayZ. I don't really like that. Rust, H1Z1, those kind of games I never really liked, dude. Ark, Conan, Exiles. Never really was a fan of those kind of games. I don't know why. The idea of them is really cool, but I never really played them, or liked them, I should say. Why is the button so small? What happened here? Is it because I removed the height? Where's my... Okay, so now... Image source, images, submit button.png. Oh, I didn't put... I use image source, not href. Wait, no, that... I don't have to... Because I've done this before. How to make a button... How to... Oh yeah, for sure, bro. We could play Factorio sometime. Civ, I used to play Civ Revolution back when I was like 14, or I don't even know how old I was playing that game, dude. I played the shit out of that game. Okay, so Dinker. I'm using the below CSS, but it puts excuse me, an image in the center of the button. Any way to the left? Oh. Button type equals submit image. That's what I did. Button class, submit button. Image source. I mean, alright. I guess I'll take a break. I've been going hard for... Oh my god, it's been 2.5 hours? And I started streaming while I was already into the coding, so I've been coding for like 3.5 hours. It's 12. It's about to be 1. Almost 4 hours. God damn, maybe you're right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Let's play some Overwatch. If you feel like sticking around, feel free. If not, no worries. Close all this out. Actually, do I want to play Overwatch or COD? I'll play COD. Damn, it's about to be 1. I started. Code pin. Hold on, let me pull that up on the... Pull it up on the old Twitch. Nice. All right, no worries. Jesus, if ever you got to go, bro, no worries. I appreciate you sticking around. Plebu. I have yet to make a CodePen account. I've used it a lot though. Nice, man. Looks good. I like this. It's simplicity. I'll check some more out later. Okay. Um, Give me 1 second. I was doing something before I even looked at that. Oh, I have to log into my. Close that. And then we're gonna. Game capture should be coming up here momentarily. I can't believe 2 hours. My God, dude. Usually when I stream, like I look at the clock and I'm like, oh yeah, 2 hours went by. It feels like it, but this today, not at all. That really is messing with my head. I want to recommend a course for you. Yes, and also, pleb, I have a here if you want to. I have some people in a Discord here. It's mine, but it's not like one dedicated for my server with events and stuff like that. Like it's mostly for I want to make it for people such as myself or you or whomever who has knowledge or is trying to gain knowledge from coding with coding and can share it, screenshots, you know, courses you may have recommendations to, books online, whatever. Hell, I'm pretty sure you could send a book in Discord too nowadays, like with its file size being so small. So if you want to join that, feel free. I also have my Twitter on my Twitch is my personal that I don't really use anymore. So yeah, I don't forgot what I was gonna say, but let me just change the name of this. Um, but like I said, if you feel like anyone feels like sticking around for a little bit while I play some COD, feel free. If not, it's all good. Um, oh boy, yeah, man, that fatigue really hit me today. Golly. Okay. I probably will take a break. Um, then get back to a little bit more of this contact form, and then after that, I'll probably end it. Man, I feeling super tired. Play a couple games of some COD. Yeah, man. Hit the gym. I can't wait to go back to the gym. I miss it so much. I'm not feeling healthy enough to go back. But enjoy yourself. Hope it's have a good session. Oh yeah, take it easy. Thank you for stopping by and chatting with us.
Kill
Pleb.
confirmed. No prisoners. Shoot to kill. Friendly UAV overhead.
I'm on your 6.
Uh-oh.
I'm taking kill mags.
Well, it's funny, that same thing happened to me yesterday. Same spot, too.
Changing mags.
Kill confirmed.
Ah, saw him too late.
Taking fire.
Ah.
Taking fire.
I spent the whole day yesterday not doing anything coding related.
Stunner out. Reloading.
It was actually really nice. It was a nice rainy day. Oh, it's kill confirmed. I keep forgetting.
Kill confirmed.
Nice long break. Went to go get some breakfast by myself at this restaurant I used to go to as a kid with my family. And then and then went to Best Buy, got this new keyboard, which is pretty decent. Not the greatest, but or I should say not the most expensive. Shit.
Check your fire. Taking fire. Reloading.
Kill confirmed.
And I enjoyed the day. It was nice. Today is like I'm super
Less than a minute.
after that little episode
We're winning
earlier,
this fight. Hold 'em back.
feeling kind of tired, but not bad. I want to try to go out and get lunch. I keep telling myself to.
I'm reloading. Stunner out.
30 seconds.
You've had your fun.
Time's up. Move your asses. Kill confirmed.
Kill confirmed.
Enemy at the center.
No, we won.
Changing mags. I'm taking fire.
Stand down, lads. They've had enough for one day.
I would like to go get my food today. I really should. I really, really should. Eating out is very expensive. I hate Piccadilly. We snipe. I was playing the campaign the other day. I actually on what, like Friday, Saturday, or I don't remember.
Domination.
I am
Capture
kind of
and defend
hungry.
the forward operate. Securing Charlie.
Why is it domination? Oh, I was playing with the homeboy and he put it on
Stunner
We're
out.
holding Charlie. Hostiles at Bravo, go.
Reloading.
Hostiles at Bravo.
I'm hit. Reloading.
I hate this map. People just sit inside the stores.
We're taking Alpha. You're needed at Charlie.
Stunner out.
Get those positions. We're being dominant. Alpha secure.
Target down.
Lift your team at A.
Changing mags.
There.
Don't shoot. Reloading.
Oh wow.
Taking fire.
Oh, it is.
Enemy at the courtyard.
Securing Bravo. Enemy holds 2 objectives. Take them
I don't
back.
know why it would be.
Rotating mag.
I guess I'll turn it off for now.
Bravo.
While I'm playing the game anyway. Maybe
Throwing grenade.
how bad is it?
Stunner out.
Trophy system online.
Oh, that's my own teammate. Golly. I hate this map so much.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I wonder why it would be out of sync.
We're taking Bravo. We're holding Bravo.
Hostile.
Enemy at the bus.
Stunner out. I'm hit. Changing mag.
Dude, I fucking hate Piccadilly so much. It's such an ass map. Yeah, it definitely does happen. I've had it happen. Usually it happens like in games that I used to play, like
Securing Charlie.
if I was playing Final Fantasy online, it would happen a lot on there too, which is weird.
Securing Bravo. Domination. Capture and hold the objectives. Securing Charlie. We captured Bravo. We're holding Charlie. Hostiles at Bravo, go. We've got control. We've lost Bravo.
Throwing stun. Enemies in the air.
We are taking Alpha.
There was one there. It was behind me and in front of me.
We've got Alpha.
Jesus, have you watched Lord of the Rings show?
Securing B.
The
We've got control.
Throwing stun.
Assist your team at C.
Throwing stun. Changing bags.
Lost Charlie.
what's it called? Rings of Power.
Securing
That's
B.
the name escaped me.
Setting Claymore.
Enemies ahead of that
Bravo
building.
secure. We've got control.
Ah, dude,
Reloading.
Securing C.
I'm sucking today,
Needed
for
at
real.
Alpha.
Dude, I do too. I mainly watch YouTube and Twitch. But
We are dominating the enemy.
I found that show
Have Alpha.
yesterday. and
We control the battlefield.
it's really good. It's on Amazon, but I understand. I usually watch Twitch and YouTube as well.
Check your fire.
I don't own any of these services that I have. I don't want to play Domination, bro. Domination on the maps that they've made recently in recent years is pretty bad. Play Team Deathmatch. Yeah, I'm feeling kind of out of it today. I honestly might be done streaming or done coding, like for the day. To be honest with you, I'm gonna save everything. I kind of am like, at least for now. Maybe on my laptop I'll do something later, or do like a lecture, or take some notes or something. But I'm really out of it. Oh yeah, thank you. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Yeah, I try to be clever with usernames sometimes. Depends on the game. Like Valorant was pretty clever. It wasn't like coding related, but it was pretty funny, I think. Overwatch is not so much. Overwatch is just the name of a city.
Team Deathmatch. You are clear to engage all threats.
Throw is done.
I heard him. I didn't see him until the last second.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
Almost down.
Oh, come on, bro. Yeah, COD, no, COD, recent years, it's just not good. Like, this is the best one, and it sucks. That's how bad the game overall is.
We've
Like,
got
the
control.
franchise.
Throw is done. Setting Claymore. I take your life.
Friendly UAV online.
The last couple suck. Shit. What? Oh, come on, dude. He was closer than I shouldn't have been sniping there. Yeah, COD just kind of sucks. But it's it's a nice little change of pace from coding. Really? I haven't played a Battlefield since 1.
Our enemy has the lead.
I'm doing really bad.
Check your fire.
Like, I like to run around and shoot, but everybody else in this game just like crouch walks everywhere like this, or camps really, really bad.
Enemy at the dumpster. Enemy at the towers.
Hostile down. Throwing stun!
I have to reload.
Enemies in the area.
See what I mean? These two guys are literally just sitting on top of the boxes waiting for people to walk by. I remember campers being bad in Call of Duty, but like this bad is like ridiculous, bro.
I've been hit!
Run around. That's the fun of Call of Duty. I don't see why anybody wouldn't do that.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
Gotta reload.
Kind of lame.
Enemy at the woods.
Like if you're in one spot for more than like 10 seconds, 15 seconds at the very, very, very most, you're camping, hard camping, and it's like lame. Go run around, have some fun. If you're a sniper, it's a little bit more understandable.
Enemy at the forklift.
Slow paced stuff, yeah. I feel that. I mean, that's how I am when it comes to my strategy games and war games. Or civilization type games.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
Nice and slow. Spend some time building up armies or whatever it is you need to do.
We're in control.
You tried to axe me.
I'm taking fire! Molotov out! Reloading.
I was playing World of Warcraft for a while, but it gets boring when you have no one to play with. Like, really boring.
Check your
Watch it, you fool!
Throwing stun! Check your fire!
Same side, damn it!
Shit! I'm hit! Shit!
No! Oh my! I missed such an easy shot on this guy.
Our enemy has the lead.
Throwing stun!
Enemy at the boiler room.
Where'd that guy go?
Changing bags.
He thinks I'm gonna go in there. Yeah, he had 2 claymores set up at each door. He had his claymore. What a loser. That's camping right there, boy. He didn't plan on going anywhere because he had them claymores set up.
Reloading.
Enemy in the woods.
Come on. I'm doing bad. Really bad.
Shit! I'm hit!
Hit a shot, dude.
Less than a minute. We're losing our window. Time to move.
Wait! Wait! 2 shotgun! What? Oh, that's whack. I guess the other one didn't hit him.
Time's up. Move.
COD's just not doing it for me today, man. I'm feeling a little tired.
Throwing stun! Molotov out! I'm hit!
Again, that was 1 shot, should have killed him.
Not me!
He
Shoot
got
them!
destroyed by that Marine. Fake Marine. I don't think he's really a Marine. No. What Marine would really put that in their name?
Not going to take it lying down.
I hit him too. What's crazy is on my screen I got hit markers on him and I shot him, but in the replay he took no damage. Interesting. Okay. Well, I think like I said, I think I'm done coding. So for now, I'm hungry as hell. I want to go get food to be like to not spend money, but Panera bread would be really good right now, bro. I might just do that. Chipotle chicken avocado melt? Hell yeah. Jesus, what time are you gonna stream? I might stop in there and have it open while I play Overwatch or something.
Detonation is good. Re-engaging. Target those vehicles. No go, 3-1. That's too close to friendlies. Calling and find me, 3-1. Roger.
Oh, shoot. What map is this? This map sucks too. All these maps are bad. I'll play this one and I'll probably get off. At least a stream.
We're in control.
Oh shit.
Enemy at the construction site.
Setting him on. Throwing stun!
Somebody's camping upstairs. I heard him play some mine.
Shit!
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Gotta reload.
No! Oh, I was gonna kill that guy too.
Target acquired. Weapon.
I think I might have just... Oh, I guess I still have to leave the house. I placed my order, but not for... not for delivery. I placed it for pickup. By accident, completely.
Enemy near Main Street.
Well, I guess that's fine then.
Target those vehicles.
You've lost the lead.
Throw is done!
Right behind you.
Changing maps.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Ah.
Ready to UAV online.
Oh, you're gonna start now? Alright, dude, we'll have a good stream when I see you. I'll see you in there in a little bit.
Target sighted.
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Marga.
Detonation is good.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Throw is done! I'm hit!
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Changing bags. Gotta reload.
Enemy at the construction site.
We're in control.
Got that one.
Losing
Wow.
control.
Reloading. Throw is done!
Is acquired. Stand by for
We have the lead.
Enemies in the area.
Friendly UAV online.
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Oh my god. Again? The same spot. They spawn there. As soon as I walk.
Enemy at the garage.
One down. Gotta reload. Gotta reload. Throw is done!
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Halfway there. Keep fighting.
Okay.
They keep spawning over there.
infantry.
Weird.
Friendly UAV online.
Cameras visual.
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Acquired. Stand by for danger.
Campers, man. Nobody runs around like that anymore unless they're trying to knife you. That's like the only... Knife you or machete you or whatever the fuck that thing is. Axe you.
Enemy at the
Friendly
destroyed
cluster
building.
strike inbound. Friendly UAV online.
Gotta reload. Throw is done! Gotta reload.
Enemy at the laundromat.
Check your fire!
Target those vehicles.
Friendly VTOL in the air.
Again. I keep aiming when I don't need to when he's that close. Just fucking spray.
Changing mags.
Like that.
Come on!
Enemy at the destroyed building.
Changing bags.
We're winning this. Keep fighting.
Enemy at the garage.
Friendly sentry gun online. We don't deal in fair fights. A win is a win.
Alright. I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you for being here. Do some recording tomorrow. Peace.